Most people lose money in trading because they don't know where to enter the trade, they don't know where to put their stop loss, and they don't know where to put their take profit. They are completely guessing, and that's where Cipher comes in. Cipher is an advanced chart scanner that tells you precisely when to enter a trade, where to put your stop loss, and where to put your take profit. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use Cipher so you can get the most out of it. And I'm going to show you how to manage your risk and know exactly when to get in and out of a trade. So let's dive straight onto the charts now, and I'll show you some live examples. Once you load Cipher up onto your trading view, this is on the gold chart on a 1 minute time frame. This is what it looks like. This is what you'll see. Now I'm going to break down each component of this so you can understand what we're looking at and what we need to see before we buy or sell. Now, what you'll notice is that we have these S flags right here and we got a B right there. So that means sell and this one means buy. But when these flags print, it doesn't mean that we automatically get into a trade and take the buy or sell. We need a few things to happen before we confirm that we are able to buy or sell. So I'm going to break that down for you now and show you exactly what we're going to look for. So as you can see right here, this is on a 1 minute chart. We have a B right here. So this means a buy. So it's telling us we could buy right here. And if we did, we would have gone up to even hit TP3. So this would have been a perfect trade and a good example to use right now. So we had the buy signal. Now, would I have taken this trade? Probably. And this is why I would have taken this trade. In the top right hand corner right here, we have this area. So this is our trend direct indicator sort of thing. So we have a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour on the daily. Now, because they all got the green arrows pointing up, this is telling me each one of these time frames we're in a bullish momentum, we're in a bullish movement. Because most of these all line up, they're all going in the same direction, I'd be confident that it's a good chance that when we enter the buy position, it will go up. That's not the only thing we're going to look at either. We're going to check this box down here. It's telling us it's bullish. It's telling us that we are trending. The state of the price of the market is trending, and the strength of that trend is very strong. And we have these arrows right here as well pointing upwards, which also gives us confirmation. Now, the other thing we'll look at is down here, we have this pulse line. This really does help us avoid getting trapped in any reversals. Now, what I'm going to be looking at here is this middle line here. So we've got a green line here, and then it turns purple, and it turns green. So remember, purple means sell, and green means buy. Now, if we have a look at this right here, this buy signal here will come down. We have a green line going up here. This is showing that the trending is going up, but the middle line there is purple. And then it changes to green. So I probably would have entered straight away on this flag, only because of this line here is still purple. I want to see that to be green before I jump in. And then you've got these bars on the bottom here. If it's gray, it means it's indecisive. It doesn't quite know which way it's going to go yet. But right here, it has turned green. So what you could do is wait for price to come back into a re-entry zone, which is what price is doing right now, because we have a green line. Yeah, it's turned purple, but if that's green, everything else is green. So almost everything is lining up as showing it's going to be a good buy. Now, if you did enter a buy right here, and you would have hit TP3, so that would have been a good one to get in, but not everything lined up. So it depends on your risk tolerance and how conservative or how risky you want to be. You can decide how many of these confluences you want to line up before you take a trade. Me personally, I'd like to see more of these confluences lined up before I jump into a trade. So this one was a bit of hit or miss, whether you wanted to get in it or not. I personally wouldn't have, because it didn't line up properly. And I've seen plenty of examples where everything does line up and we can get into the buy or sell. So let's scroll back and have a look at different prices right here. So this one I probably wouldn't have. Probably wouldn't have got into that one either. Now this one might have been a good one to get in. We've had two buy signals right here, and it's right on the line, and it is a green line. We've gone green, purple, green, and that one is all green. So everything on that one is green. We even have these little arrows under there as well to confirm that we are in a bullish direction. I probably would have got into this trade, and look at that. It was a nice runner. Now let's have a look at what's going on the charts right now. We just had a sell print. Now, would we jump into the sell right away? Probably not, and we shouldn't, because if you have a look up here, the direction of a trend on each one of these time frame is showing bullish. So I would ignore this sell, just like I would ignore the previous one. We're only looking for a buy flag at this moment. So the other thing you can look out for are the arrows beneath these candles. Now, if this was a buy signal, let's use this one for example, this right here is a buy signal, and we got extra confluence below it that is definitely going to go up. So, I mean, even if a line down here it doesn't show green, and the gray box down here doesn't green, but if you see these instead, maybe you would want to jump into it. So it's all about playing around, finding what works for you and what your risk tolerance is. And so, yeah, that's basically how Cipher works. And if you follow these rules, you probably will be successful, you probably will be profitable when it comes to trading, but you just got to manage your own risk. Now, speaking of risk management, so how do we manage our risk when we take these trades? So I'm going to use the sell here, for example, because we have the sell um, signal here. We got the stop loss and the TP. So if we were to get into this position right here, we got in on that sell, put the stop loss there, and we put our TP there. So what we would do, we'd wait for price to come into profit and go to TP1. Once it reaches TP1, we then move to break even. So we out, we're taking all the risk out of this trade. So if a trade goes against it, we're not going to lose any money. And then if it goes to TP2, what we're going to do then is that we're going to take half our trade off the table. So we're going to close half our trade at TP2 to secure some of those profits. And then we'll let the rest run either to TP3, or you can just let it run and you can take profit whenever you want to. Now that is Cipher. So Cipher is really easy when you break it down like that. As long as you know exactly what you're looking for and you don't just enter on the buy and sell flags that you see on there. You wait for everything to line up and then you get into a trade. So if you want access to Cipher, it is completely free. All you got to do is sign up to the Pro Trader platform and sign up with my partner broker PU Prime. It is completely free. As long as you use my broker link, you will have free access to that. Let me just show you the platform you to get access to. So I'm going to share my screen once again. So this is the Pro Trader platform. You will get access to this. And on here, it breaks down everything. You got all your sessions. We even got signals. So if you like taking signals, we got signal channels. We got an academy right here. You can look at the academy. This is where you'll find our signals. They're all inside a Telegram group. So you come in here, you link up to our Telegram group. We got 4 different signal providers. We got our live sessions. We got our analytics. So this is like your trading journal. So to have a look at your account and see how you're trading, and then it'll give you tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. We also got like a reward system, leaderboard systems. So it's very interactive and very engaging platform, and it is completely free. So our idea is to create the best free trading platform on the internet. So if you want access to this, you can jump inside my Telegram channel, which the link is in the description below this video. And in there, I'll give all the details on how you can access the Pro Trader and use the Cipher scanner. So we have a look on this Pro Trader website. So we've got the Cipher scanner here, and we break down every single signal that comes through. Right, so we can even select what pair. So if you're looking at just gold, he'll give you just the gold signals and the percentage of the confidence of that trade. We even do Bitcoin. We can do anything, any pairs, but on this website, you can see what we're looking at here. But in reality, on TradingView, if you jump on TradingView, and you can use Cipher on any instrument that you want. So yeah, jump into my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.